Well, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Chad and Ben here.
Hey.
We're still on the table project. See, what seems like just a few days to you guys, this is what, week 3?
Possibly 4.
Oh, possibly. It hadn't been 4.
It's been a while.
Is that your wife?
Yeah. I need to answer.
We'll be right back.
What's up, YouTube? We're back. We got it sanded down, like we said just a little bit ago, but now we're gonna put a little poly on it.
Okay, so we killed that intro that he just referred to because his wife called, Miss Helen. See, we're working on the table. So he got 1 coat of poly. See, this has been about 4 weeks, 3. This may be the 4th week, whatever. We're having to work on it because Ben has a full-time job and some small kids. I have 2 full-time jobs plus small kids, so we really just work on it when we can, right?
Yeah, pretty much about 30 to 45 minutes in the afternoons after work.
1 or 2 days a week.
Yeah.
So anyway, we're in this home stretch, about to put another coat of poly on it and be putting the legs on and then installing it. You don't install a table. You just kind of
Place it.
You set it where it goes, right? So anyway, we'll be placing it at Ben's house. So we're gonna have some awesome action shots of Ben doing the poly. Let's get it close.
All right, so I'm gonna let it soak for a second. A little longer than a second. And then make sure it's not too chunky. All right, so.
That's too much.
Is it?
Very much. Jeez. So anyway.
Yeah.
So what we're doing is we're putting 3 coats total. This is semi-gloss, but Ben doesn't want a shiny top. So the next coat will be satin, but you'll get the durability of the semi-gloss with the lack of sheen of the satin.
Almost spilled it. That didn't feel good at all. Oh.
That was airsoft.
Yeah. Oh.
That really hurt.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
No, sorry. You're not sorry. No, you're not. Don't do it again. You'll catch a knife to the face.
Are you threatening me?
No, nope.
Right, that's forearm, dude. That was his.
Yeah, I spilled Chad's. That's why I got shot with the BB gun.
That was the airsoft shot. So anyway, looks pretty good. We got 1 more coat of satin to put. We will spare you that, and then we'll put the legs on, carry it to Ben's house, install it. We had to skip some steps, as you can see. It was 80 degrees Sunday, and today it's 45 and raining. So we're trying to beat in between storms to get this to Ben's house. Ben, say hey.
Hey.
Hey. But you can see we got the legs on. We ended up getting some brackets and putting them on there so it's nice and sturdy. So the table came together nice. I'll show you more when we get to Ben's house and we install it. But that's where we're at. Everything's polished. A little bit of touch-up paint left to do, and then we're ready to go. I'll give you a little peek there. The socks came with it. It's nice. All right, so we're gonna head to Ben's house.
Yep.
It's about 30 minutes away.
Yeah, 35, 40.
It's getting longer. I didn't commit to that. I was like
30 minutes. 30-minute trip.
There's my tape. All right, so we'll see you guys in just a bit. Forward, there's Remy. Hey, Remy. There he is. What do you think, Clark?
I love it. Turned out great.
Man, I want to be in the YouTube.
We'll be in the YouTubes briefly. There's Landry. All right, so Ben, you got a table?
Got a table.
Now you just gotta get chairs and maybe even a bench.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably try to attempt to build a bench, and then we'll probably just order some chairs online, possibly, or maybe Lori can find somebody.
Real good deal.
Really good deal. But yeah, so
All right, another finished project. How you feel?
feel accomplished.
Miss Helen, you don't have to be on camera, but we need your approval.
I approve. I love it.
She loves it. Well, there you go, guys. Landry approves too. He really wants to be on the YouTubes.
Yeah, because I've never been on it.
All right, Ben, sign us off.
All right, that's another unfinished farm project finished. And make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button, and go to Chad's YouTube channel and hit the like.
That's where you are if you're hearing this, so continue to go. Thanks, guys. We'll see you later.